Hey cutie patooties, and welcome back to Cutie Nails, where everything we do here is all about nails. So cuties, I have been gone for a little bit, busy with work stuff, but I'm back and I have a PR package from Nail Addict. I was so excited to return home from a long trip and find this in my mailbox. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unpackage all of these. I'm gonna go ahead and clean them off. That's the dust from the little paper confetti things you see there, and I'm gonna let you guys know everything that I got in this box. So they sent me over 7 gel polishes. First they sent me the peel off base. Now this can work just like a peel off base. I will go ahead and drop the description on how to use this from the website, but I was just reading over the back just to make sure there wasn't anything different in the curing time and all that good stuff. But you guys, I got some peel off base, and then I can't wait to get to these colors down here. Another thing I was excited to get was this matte top coat. Y'all, I was excited to get this matte top coat. I could not wait to see how this was gonna turn out on a set. Sorry y'all, I had to pause real quick. I'm sitting outside my work building and the fire alarm went off, so of course the firefighters are here and I didn't want the noise to bug anyone. But y'all, please don't mind my nails. My nails are done. I just been hiding my little art with this nail polish, and it's about time to do these again. Currently I am going on 4 weeks of not doing my nails, but we'll talk about that in the next clip. They sent me another black and white, which I was really happy to get because you can't get enough black and white. You're always going to need black and white. They sent me Playground, which I thought was very pretty. It's like a cotton candy look. By itself it's beautiful, but I added an extra background to it, and you guys will see once I start swatching these out and playing with them. But I'm gonna swatch this so you guys can see that beautiful cotton candy effect that you get from this color. And don't worry cuties, I'm gonna do 2 coats of each of these. Now this pink rose is so pretty. I got bubblegum vibes from these. I don't know who else is getting bubblegum vibes, but I really like it. And I must mention, this is a part 1 of 2, so please stay tuned for next week's video. I am definitely going to do my best to get that video out to you guys next Tuesday as well. As you know, I post every Tuesday, but with mommy life and all the great things that's going on in the military right now, I've been super busy. But yeah, I'm going to do 2 coats of these. You guys saw that color. It's very pigmented, very beautiful. Now say extra, it was just calling my name. Like this color was just speaking to me. It's just so beautiful. I don't know if it's that aqua blue that's coming off of it, but again, stay tuned next Tuesday for part 2 of this video. Now this is after 2 coats of each color, and I noticed that the Playground color, it kind of gives off this matte finish once it's done curing, and I'm just checking to see if there's a tacky layer on these after curing. So now I'm just gonna play around with these colors a bit, do a couple designs. I'm gonna also use my blooming gel that I got from Amazon, and I need to check on Nail Addict's website to see if they have a blooming gel, because that'll be so great. I have the top coat, the base coat, the matte, and now I have the peel off base coat, and I need to check and see if they have a blooming gel so I can purchase that and have a full collection of the different bases and tops that I need. So after that pink cures, I'm gonna go ahead and apply just a tad bit of the playground to it to see how that turns out. So I'm just going to get myself organized a little bit, get prepped for the next design that I'm going to do, and then I'm going to get back with you guys when I get ready to add the second color to that pink tip. I hope you cuties have been doing well. I have been great, just super busy, traveling all over the country for work. So that's why I haven't been able to get videos out to you guys. But I want to give a sweet thank you to Nail Addict for sending me this package. I really like these colors, and thank you so much for doubling me up on my black Addict and white Addict. Even though I don't use it often, it's great to have extra because, you know, when you try to do art and things like that, you need black and white. So like I thought, once I added the playground to the pink, it gave me that cotton candy look that I was thinking of the entire time. And I like the shimmers on it. I only applied one coat, and again, you see it cures matte looking. So I'm just gonna add some of my top coat to it. Let me grab that real quick, and then I will show you guys how that looks. So once I'm done doing this, I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. I've been curing everything for 60 seconds the entire time. And you guys, I know y'all see that up there in the top right corner. Discount codes are in the description box below. So please check it out for your discount. When you get to the Nail Addict store online, use my discount. I don't get anything from it, but you guys can save a little bit of money, okay? So y'all, I don't know what I was thinking here. I looked right at my press-on nail stand and still for some reason pulled out this nail brush. Isn't that gloss pretty, you guys? Look at that cotton candy effect. I'm just gonna sit that right there so you guys can look at it while we're doing the other nails. But after I went and applied the Say Extra to this nail tip and got some on my brush, it dawned on me, like, girl, what are you doing? You still have that nail stand over there, like, just pick it up. So you guys are gonna see me switch that out really fast and clean off my brush before I get ready to cure this nail. If I haven't told y'all before, I really love Nail Addict products because the pigment is just everything. Like, one thin coat can do so much. 2 thin coats, you are in there. Like, it's gonna be perfect. I really love the rich consistency of their polishes, and I definitely have to go check it out and look again. I can't remember if I saw a blooming gel, but if there is a blooming gel, I am gonna get that. If there isn't a blooming gel, Nail Addict, please make one. So I'm just getting my palette ready while that's curing so I can do some nail art for you guys. And this is what it's looking like. That was one coat because I didn't want to waste a bunch of my polish. And I'm gonna try to do some little flowers for you guys. So I'm gonna let y'all sit back and enjoy that. I learned a couple things while doing this, and I'm gonna let y'all know right away. I tried to use a nail art brush. That's why I took out a bunch of those brushes in the beginning. But then I realized it was so much easier for me to use my dotting tool to create these flowers. I was looking for like a 70s type of theme with these flowers. And because this color, well, these two colors are so spring, I just wanted to just keep with that same, you know, spring vibe and do some spring type 70s looking flowers. So I'm gonna let y'all watch this. Everything again, I'm curing for about 30 seconds this time because I didn't want to take too much time in this video, but I'm just gonna cure these little dots, gonna add some eyes and a little smile with this smaller dotting tool. I'm sorry if I'm out of frame most of the time, but you guys will get to see the finished look as soon as I'm done. I left a lot of this video in real time, you guys, so you guys can see my struggle sometimes and a lot of the mistakes that I make when doing nail art. Like, no one's perfect, not even me, and I just wanted to let you guys just watch and enjoy as I do this nail art so you guys can see exactly what I go through. I know I'm out of frame, but it's because the camera is picking up the nail polish bottles and I'm moving a ton. So just, I hope that you guys comment below, like this video, subscribe if you're new. Please consider becoming a part of the Cutie family. And to my loyal subscribers, thank you so much for watching. To my nail besties, I'm gonna catch up on your videos very soon now that I'm back and I have time. I'm almost done catching up with all of my stuff at home, but I will be getting to your videos very, very soon. So I had thought about filling in these flowers, but I thought they looked super cute the way they were, so I decided to just leave them alone. And as you can see, I'm using this dotting tool, and that works so much better than trying to just make a dot and then try to make it the right shape of the petals, or just trying to use a nail art brush. So this worked out much better for me, and I decided to just keep going with this method, and I like how they turned out. This is what they look like. I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds, and I felt like this was the perfect opportunity to test out the matte top coat. So once it's done curing, I'm going to go ahead and apply a layer of the matte top coat onto this and then show you guys what that looked like. I really like this matte top coat, you guys. I was just rubbing my fingers just to make sure that the oils from my finger didn't transfer to it. There was no sticky residue. I absolutely love these Nail Addict polishes. You guys, let me know what y'all think in the comments below. I'm just doing a couple other designs with some blooming gel just to see how they were going to work, and applying that shiny top coat in the matte top coat once more. I miss you cuties so much. I am glad to be back. I can't wait for you guys to see part 2 of this video, and as always cuties, I'll most definitely talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.